Welcome to Math Tutor channel. This channel contains videos for NCERT Mathematics from class 6 to 12. So after seeing the video, if you have any doubts, you can contact the mail ID given at the end. If you want math tuition also, you can contact the mail ID and get the details. In this video, we will see NCERT Mathematics class 11 first chapter sets. Next we will see 1.6.1 subset of real numbers. See, normally the real numbers contains irrational and rational number. Rational number contain fractional and integers. Integer contain negative number and whole number. So whole number is 0 and natural number. So now from the conditions, natural number is a subset of integer because integer contain all this, and integer is the subset of a rational number. Rational is the subset of real number, and also real number contain irrational number also. So irrational number t is also a subset of real number, but irrational number is not containing the natural number. So natural number is not the subset of irrational number. So natural numbers can be written in the fractional form, but irrational numbers is the condition where it cannot be written in the fractional form. So these two conditions are false. So natural numbers are not the part of the or not the subset of the irrational numbers. Next, 1.6.2 intervals as the subset of R. There are two types of intervals. One is closed interval, another one is open interval. So consider this condition y is greater than a and it is less than b. In this condition, y is greater than a means it will not contain a, it should be greater than a. And less than b is it should not contain b, it should be less than b. So this we call it as a open interval and it is represented by this bracket. Whereas in the case of closed interval, it will include the number. For example, x is greater than or equal to a. So equal to a includes a also. Less than or equal to b includes b also, and this is represented by the square bracket. So these are the two differences. Consider this example, square bracket of a comma b. Here a is closed whereas b is open. In this next condition, a is open and b is closed. So these two are different. So consider one more example, a is equal to minus 3 comma 5. So here both are open. So I can consider only the elements between minus 3 and 5 and not minus 3 and 5. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whereas in the case of B, it is a closed one where I have to consider both minus 7 and 9. So it is minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1, 2, 3 till 9. Then whether A is a subset of B? Yes, all the elements of A is present in B. This is a closed set. So 0 to infinity is a non-negative real number. Minus infinity to 0 is a negative real number. So these are lying in the between minus infinity to infinity. So this is also shown in the diagram. So this dot with holes indicates the open subset and this filled dots indicates the closed subset. So here A is closed and B is open. Whereas in this case A is open and B is closed. This is shown in the number line. Consider this example, minus 5 less than x less than or equal to x is greater than minus 5, you should not include minus 5, but it is less than or equal to 7. So you have to include 7. So the interval goes from minus 4 to 7. 1.7 Universal set. Consider this example. Universal set will contain all the natural numbers. If another set is contain all the prime numbers, then one more set is containing even number, then all these numbers are called as the subset of the universal set. The basic set which contain all the elements, we call it as a universal set, and we will represent it by capital U. Using Venn diagram, it is represented by capital U. Here A is a set which contains 1, 2, and universal set is containing 1, 2, 4, 5 and 3. So universal set will contain all the other set in it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can contact the mail ID mentioned this video in mathtutor1502@gmail.com. If you want math tuition, you can also contact the same mail ID. The tuition will be taken in 2 languages. One is Tamil, another one is English. Thank you all.